All right, markets closed down in the real trading hours. 1262.50 was our high. Our close was 1255.25. However, that is up about 12 points from the Friday close. Maria on CNBC will tell you that we had an up day, but traders will tell you it was a down from the open day. So where does that leave us? We made a new high today after opening higher at 1262.50. We based a little bit on that 1260 area this morning, then went and touched 1266 and a quarter once and twice. And then we sold off. We could not hold there in the afternoon session once we got to that 11 a.m. here in the Pacific, almost at 2 o'clock witching hour. They sold them off hard. They sold off first to that 52 level, bounced to 58, almost to 50, retrace, 38.2 actually, and then ripped them down to a new day low at 12.49. Ramped them at the close in the last half an hour, which has been typical of this market. So where does that leave us? We've got all kinds of euro intervention driving this market. Still, we are up, let's call it 111 points now here at this price of 12.54 since a Friday before last Friday. So in 6 trading days, we've gone up almost 8%. And yes, that is the new world we live in. Hard ups, hard downs, a lot of V moves. And in the end, we are right where we opened the 2011 campaign. So that's it. I think you really need to be careful in here. Intraday trading is your safest bet. I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish. I think you got to pick your spots. Fade the moves right now. There's not a lot of continuation to the upside or downside. I continue to say, don't overstay the bullish side. Don't overstay the bearish side. We could test that high that we saw in the last 60 days up at 1290 this week. This would be a good week to do it with the euro intervention and everything going on for Thursday. We all knew the U.S. via the IMF was going to save Europe. I mean, this shouldn't even be news. I think it's already built into the price of this existing market. So that's it. Again, oil today. Let's give you a quick recap. The euro. It's all in the euro. When the euro fails, the U.S. stock market fails, and the euro sold off at the same time with the rest of the coordinated effort today. Oil today again closed down after reversing rather after opening up a pretty strong pre-market. So it then continued to sell off. So that is that. We will be back here tomorrow, and we'll see you on the other side again. Be careful, be safe out there. 1253.50 as we close. Upside again, you got that 1270 first level. Let's call it 1240 on the downside. Break through either one of those, you might have 30 points higher or lower. So break below 1240 intraday, and you might see that 1210. Ultimately, break above 1270, you might get up and push towards 1300. Peace, over and out.